Hello my little champs, welcome back to e-learning class. I hope you all are fresh and fine after the Diwali vacation, right? And I hope you all have enjoyed the vacation. Okay, now be ready and let's begin our second term. Okay, so today we will learn some alphabets with their sounds. Okay, tell me in English writing how many letters we have finished? Do you all remember? Yes, we have finished A to X, right? So today we will learn sounds of some alphabets. So are you all ready for that? Okay, now get ready because our new term has going to start today. Okay, so let's see which alphabets we are going to learn today. In English, today we will learn the reading, subject reading, and in that we will learn the sounds of some alphabet. But before that, what we are doing? Yes, we will say alphabets from A to Z. Okay, so get ready. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay, so these are the alphabets, capital and small alphabets. Now let's see which sounds we are going to learn. So today we will learn the sounds of Q, W and X. Let's start with letter Q. So first we will see the pictures related to letter Q. Q for Queen, very good. Q for quill, Q for Q and Q for quilt. Q for queen, Q for quill, Q for Q and Q for quill. Now you all know, right? You have practiced well for the evaluation. Now let's see capital Q, small q, capital Q, small q. Q says qua, Q says qua. So what is the sound of Q? Qua. Now next one is X. Do you all remember the pictures related to letter X? Let's see. X for xylophone, X for Christmas tree and X for X-ray. X for xylophone, X for Christmas tree and X for X-ray. Now let's see capital X, small x, capital X, small x. What is the sound of X? X says xa, X says xa. Now which one is left? W. W for worm, W for watermelon, W for wool, W for watch. W for worm, W for watermelon, W for wool and W for watch. This is capital W, small w, capital W, small w. What is the sound of W? W says wa, W says wa. See children, today we have revised the pictures related to letter Q, W and X. So yes, we will say the alphabets and their sounds. So here we will see the alphabets and their sounds. This is capital S, small s. S says sa. Capital U, small u. U says a. U says U and U says a. Two sounds are there. Capital V, small v. V says va. Capital A, small a. A says a. Capital D, small d. D says da. Capital G, small g. G says ga. So children, we have seen the pictures and we have revised the sounds and alphabets Q, W and X. So learn them nicely, practice them nicely. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.